Hello and welcome. Welcome to my YouTube channel PharmaVan. In today's video, I will discuss about what are the common problems which you are faced during a regulatory inspection, during an audit, during regulatory inspections such as US FDA, MHRA, major regulatories. What are the common problems? Let us discuss. So first and foremost, when we are into the audit room, inspector will ask for the lot of documents. They'll want to review the documents, and that's their job. And what is the repeatedly occurring issue during such scenario? One is delay in bringing the document. For example, inspector is reviewing a specific document. For example, autoclave qualification. Autoclave qualification is being reviewed. A person is explaining, and now autoclave qualification is now done. Now he wants to review tunnel qualification. So he'll ask, bring me the tunnel qualification documents. If the document gets delayed, for example, we say what is the delay in if we are taking 5 minutes to bring a document. So let us understand how long can be this 5 minutes. So document is asked, okay, I want to see the tunnel qualification document, and we raise the request, we'll put into the laptop, somebody will see it, he'll pull out the document and we'll bring it to the audit room, but it takes 5 minutes, for example. Then 5 minutes looks as a very short duration, but during an inspection scenario, if these 5 minutes are very long, because the person is sitting, auditor is sitting, person is sitting, clock is ticking, but document is not coming. So 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute. So understand the scenario that two people, auditor is sitting, the person who needs to explain is sitting, but document is not coming. So what will be the tension level into the audit room? The senior person are sitting, they'll see each other, they'll wonder why it's taking so long, because 5 minutes is not a short duration during an inspection scenario. It's very long scenario, and I have faced it, so understand. So what can be done to overcome it? All critical documents which are frequently asked should be kept into the back room only. We know all the qualifications, all the batch records which are submitted, all the SOPs, site master file, validation master plan. These are the frequently asked documents that should be kept ready into the back room, which is near to the audit room, not so far. So it will not take much of the time. And of course, if we feel that this specific document is going to take some time, then inform the auditor, okay, this document will take 15 minutes because of so and so reason. So if he has any other plan, if he want to quick review any other thing, or want to have quick discussion on anything, can be done. So this is one how we can avoid document delay, or how we can overcome the situation where we are waiting for the document without any interaction. What is the second frequently occurring problem is SME is coming into the room, audit room, subject matter is coming into the audit room, but he don't know why he has been called for. This is the second most frequently occur observation we are observing into the regulatory inspection. For example, a production person is explaining a batch manufacturing record for the product which is submitted to the regulatory. Take it MHRA, FDA, whatever it can be, the regulatory agency. The document is submitted. BMR is being reviewed. Now there is a specific question about how we are performing the environmental monitoring on the filling line. This is a specific question, and it is expected that it should be answered by a microbiologist, because there will be subsequent questions related to the microbiology which production person cannot answer. Production person can know what are the location and he can explain, but subsequent question he will not be able to explain. So we need microbiologist. So what will be done? Call microbiologist. So somebody will call microbiologist. He will come running into the audit room. He don't know why he has been called, what is going on, what will be the scenario, what will be the question. He don't know anything. He just comes and audit room and stands in front of an inspector. The inspector will ask, what are the location of this filling line? And he don't know which is the filling line, why it is being reviewed, or why am I being called. So he don't know anything, so he'll get frustrated. He'll get confused why this question is being asked. So he'll ask, which is the filling line, which is the product. Then this will again, it's not a very good scenario that we are bringing an SME to explain something, but he don't know what to explain. So how to overcome this scenario? This is just an example for brief understanding. Let us discuss how to overcome. So when we are calling an SME, a person who is runner inside In my previous video, we discussed who is the runner, the person who is runner inside the room. He should give some brief that product X batch record YY, filling line so and so is being discussed, and auditor wants to understand what are the EM location and how we are performing EM monitoring. So how this will help? The subject matter expert, he will go through the batch record, he'll understand what's the filling line, what are the locations, and basis that he'll take this idea and he'll go to the audit room and straight away he'll start explaining, sir, in this filling line there are 5 locations. For example, one is here, one is here, one is here. We are doing settle blade, we are doing active air sampling. This is my frequency, this is my procedure. So how it helps? Now auditor understands that they are prepared, they know what they are doing, and auditor don't have to ask so many questions to get out the information or to understand the information. So this is where preparing an SME upfront before he comes to the audit room helps to facilitate smooth inspection. So this is second mistake. In my next video, I'll talk about more such scenarios. So be with me, be with my channel, Pharmavan. Thank you very much for watching my video.